In this video, we will review Token Matrix. If you guys want to get started with Token Matrix, you can use the links down in the description. Token Matrix is a cryptocurrency research platform that provides data-driven insights, investment strategies, and AI-based analytics for trades and investors. It offers tools like portfolio tracking, market predictions, and token ratings to help users make informed decisions in the crypto market. Users appreciate its detailed analysis, intuitive interface, and wide range of resources, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. However, some mention that platform's pricing as a drawback and suggest that its predictions may not always be accurate. Overall, Token Matrix is a valuable resource for crypto enthusiasts looking for in-depth research and insight, but essential to combine its data with personal research. So that's a review of Token Matrix. Make sure to use the links down in the descriptions to get started with Token Matrix. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.